Woof, woof.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Vybz Kartel, Cenat, and Ishawna are dropping, and I'm in the official track for Woof. Right, and I got the exclusive preview right here, so check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. For me personally, this one is gonna be a hit, especially when the music video drops. Right, check it out and let me know.
As a man, if you do this, woof, 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 and your girl doesn't do this.
Woof!
She's not your girl, nigga.
No, you gotta say woof.
Right, Gigi. Woof, woof, woof.
Woof.
Girl, the pussy good, me have proof.
Let's say shave and it no full of bush.
Like turntable, getting at the groove when Mr.
Alright, so as you can hear, this song is a hit song already. Vybz Kartel is a marketing genius. Everywhere Vybz Kartel goes, his rum goes with him, and he's always promoting his brand. Vybz Kartel himself is a brand, and let's not forget how Kartel and Ishawna smartly introduced Woof on Cenat Live. Cenat had to call his girl, right, and did the Woof, and then she did the rah. You see me? Yes, so that's how smartly Vybz Kartel introduced the Woof thing on Cenat live stream without even revealing it was a song. And then days later, Vybz Kartel just decided, say, yo, I'm gonna drop, I'm gonna give us a preview of the song. You know what I mean? This, like something similar to what he did with Mavado when Mavado ran off stage at Sting, and Vybz Kartel did the Last Man Standing. The boy run like a wounded dog. Big up Mavado, you know what I mean? Mavado and his son was spotted in Barbados, right? Mavado recently, you know, he got his son out of prison. So much respect and big up to Mavado. You see me? So, and then the styling, if I mention the past, are just history. You see me? Because in 2025, it's impossible to not be a Vybz Kartel fan in 2025, especially when you see what Vybz Kartel is doing and has been doing and is about to do, right? The greatness, Brooklyn, ATL, Vybz Kartel Atlanta show where Cenat live, and where Cenat said he will be there. Vybz Kartel about 70,000 people waiting in line for tickets at a 20,000 venue. Uno favorite artist now do that. So it's impossible to not be a Vybz Kartel fan in 2025. You have, even if you don't rate Vybz Kartel or whatever the case might be, because he's doing so well, then you just automatically have to rate him and just fall in line. You just have to do it, because if you support dancehall, or maybe you just man no love, me no know. You understand? Maybe you just decide say, yo, me like that boy. You know what I mean? Or me like that gal. Cause we know no found no love man. You see me? That's how I stay. So me not go down into that. Make that stay right where there. But as me say, what Vybz Kartel do for the culture is on a great scale, right? It take Vybz Kartel to come out of prison to come show artists say, yo, dancehall can sell out shows, dancehall can do all of these things overseas. Dancehall is doing it. And dancehall been doing it, Shaggy, Sean Paul, you know, whatever. But we are talking about hardcore dancehall artists that the people them constantly look forward to. The people that is underground, that is connected with the people them. When you go Sean Paul show, you mainly see white people. You don't see the diaspora. You see white people and race, almost like a them make the music for whatever the case is. But again, we don't go down in that. Big up Sean Paul, big up Shaggy, big up all of them. But the level at which Vybz Kartel is doing it, we feel more connected, right? We who follow dancehall music, we who vlog, we who do these things, we feel more connected. We see it, almost like we see it. You know what I mean? And we see we see all of the big connections them that, you know, with Vybz Kartel and make analyze of that thing, because great things about to happen. When Vybz Kartel announced his album, the title of his album, and when that album drop, big things, great things. And we need all of the 48,000 people where go a Brooklyn, and we need the 78,000 people where are waiting in line for Atlanta, and we need the Miami people them with Vybz Kartel go sell out the show too, and we need the people them at Trinidad and the people them at Barbados and the people them at the UK, Canada, everywhere to come out and show people say, yo, we are support dancehall music, we are support Vybz Kartel, we are support the culture, and we are push the culture. My mind from 2025 start from Vybz Kartel come out of prison, we feel like dancehall is in the conversation. We feel like, say, yo, dancehall been doing it on the big scale. You know what I mean? Just for the music them start to drop, and when the music them start to drop, then you go see the real thing. You go see, oh, again, when the album drop, I want to hold on and the mother come out and support them and support the album. You know what I mean? Whenever Vybz Kartel announce the album, we need all of them to come out and support the album and show people, say, yo, we can do this too. You know what I mean? A dancehall album can sell more than just 4,000 copies. A dancehall album can sell more than 5,000 copies or 3,000 copies. A dancehall album can push all 30K. Right? So we need to rewrite history. We need to rewrite the narrative and all of these other things. You know what I mean? So Kartel has been my favorite artist since I was a little toddler, since I was a little youth, and him still is my favorite artist because Kartel no fail, we all know. You know what I mean? Even when Kartel go prison, Kartel still give him music and give a big song and gold selling song and silver selling song and all these other things. So Kartel been doing it, and if you not miss the live on Cenat, if you not did miss the live, if you not did miss Cenat live, then I don't know what to tell you. All I can say, it was great. It was entertaining. Spice, Cenat, Vybz Kartel, Ishawna, and Cenat friends. You know what I mean? Them really sell off the live. I don't tell a lie. You know what I mean? So check out a piece of the live. Cenat, Spice, Vybz Kartel. You know what I mean? Live, Ishawna, everybody. Check out a piece of the live. Check it out.
Beat up the thing when I love song. It a kick in. What?
Dangerous.
Big up the whole of Jamaica.
Yeah,
King and Queen forever.
King and Queen is here a rep for the country and the culture.
Yes.
You know how it go.
Yes.
Big up the whole Jamaica.
Check.
Big up dancehall.
Check.
Portmore for sure.
Who wanna have
That's
a
our place.
Who wanna have a versus
I
with?
never know our place, you know.
Who wanna have a versus with Vybz Kartel? Versus.
Nah,
Who would
they
dare?
can't. They
Who would
can't.
dare?
Who would
They
dare?
can't.
Them not go win.
You
Them
can't.
not go win.
You can't first the king, you can't first the queen.
This shit right here,
I'm
though.
telling you.
No, Vybz.
Yeah.
Also, I'm gonna be honest.
Like Cat Williams said, this shit
Got it.
right here, nigga.
Yes.
This shit right here, nigga.
This shit right here, nigga.
Right
here, nigga.
I'm gonna be honest.
I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah.
That
Yes.
nice, smooth. You have to be very careful.
Yes.
It's in the chest.
That's the video for today. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest video. That's if you make it this far, right? If you make it this far, just comment a prayer emoji and we know say, yo, you're a real supporter, you see me? So that's the video. I'm out.